BTC price to hit local bottom above this key support area. The BTC price is maintaining the range around $26,000 after a week of volatility in the financial markets and concerns of high inflation. The BTC price is maintaining the range around $26,000 after a week of volatility and gains for the S&P 500 index and Nasdaq, after U.S. Fed Chair Jerome Powell indicated in his Jackson Hole speech that the inflation in the United States economy is still too high. While the Fed officials made it clear that there could not be any interest rate cuts in near future, Powell warned that the central bank will not hesitate to further hike rates if appropriate in order to bring the inflation down to the 2% target. Local bottom for BTC price. On August 24, 2023, Bitcoin saw a sharp fall surrounding the much-awaited Powell speech. The Jackson Hole event-led sell-off was actually the largest liquidation event since December 2021. Meanwhile, crypto analyst CrediBULL stated that despite short positions placed below the $20,000 mark, there is no concrete testing of bullish sentiment for the top cryptocurrency. Calls for 20K, 12K and 10K pouring in despite no actual break in bullish market structure to signal any sort of shift in momentum. First break is at 24.8K. Hence, unless the BTC price drops below the $24,800 level, there could likely be a continuation of a bullish wave in the weeks ahead. In the first week of September 2023, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is scheduled to deliver updates on several spot Bitcoin ETF filings, including that of BlackRock, as part of the first deadline. However, chances are that the deadline would not mean anything as the agency could pass it off with no real update on the decision. Top U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase adds PayPal's dollar-backed stablecoin, PYUSD, to listing roadmap. Coinbase has placed PayPal's new stablecoin on its listing roadmap, meaning the exchange's users could soon trade the digital asset. The stablecoin, called PayPal USD, PYUSD, aims to maintain a one-to-one peg with the US dollar and is built on Ethereum, ETH. PayPal unveiled the asset earlier this month and said it is backed by secure and highly liquid assets. The payment giant's customers can buy and sell PYUSD through the PayPal app and website and convert it to other crypto assets like Bitcoin, BTC. The blockchain-focused firm Paxos Trust Company performs the issuance and custody of the stablecoin, according to PayPal's website. PYUSD has mostly maintained its peg since launching but did briefly drop to a low of $0.979 at one point on Friday. Coinbase announced the addition to its listing roadmap on Thursday. The exchange created the roadmap last year to increase transparency and reduce the possibility of front-running its new trading support announcements. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has said the exchange aims to list as many crypto assets as possible, as long as they meet the company's standards. It's kind of like Amazon or something like that, where a product might have 3 stars or it might have 5 stars, but if it starts to get 1 star consistently, it's probably fraudulent or defective or something, and maybe Amazon will remove it. Otherwise, you want to let the market decide what these things are.